Welcome to the Wisdom Channel, a sanctuary of enlightenment and knowledge, where we embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth together. We are thrilled to have you here, ready to explore the depths of wisdom and unlock the potential within. On this channel, we delve into the profound teachings of ancient sages and modern thinkers alike. We believe that wisdom is a timeless beacon that guides us through life's challenges and illuminates our path to fulfillment. Whether you seek guidance, inspiration, or simply wish to broaden your horizons, you've come to the right place. In the vast canvas of life, we all encounter challenges and pain. But remember, my friends, no matter the pain, it will all pass away. At times, life may throw you into the depths of despair. You might face heartbreak, failure, or loss that leaves you feeling helpless and shattered. But in these moments, hold on tight to the belief that this too shall pass. Just like the darkest storms, pain may seem relentless and all-consuming. But behind those menacing clouds lies the promise of a new dawn. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and with the passage of time, wounds heal and strength prevails. Remember, it's not about the pain itself, it's about the courage to face it head-on. Embrace the struggles, for they are the building blocks of your resilience. Each obstacle you conquer adds a layer to the foundation of your character. As the sun sets, it signifies the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. Your journey is like a book with many chapters, and every page turned represents growth and progress. No matter how tough the chapter you're in right now, keep turning the pages. Time has an incredible power to heal wounds and mend broken hearts. In the face of adversity, remember that healing is not forgetting but forgiving yourself and others. Forgive, let go, and make room for the beautiful experiences that life holds for you. When you emerge from the darkness, you'll find the light waiting for you. Your resilience will lead you to triumphs beyond your imagination. The pain you once felt will become a distant memory, a reminder of the strength you possess. So, my friends, as you venture through life, facing hardships and pain, remember this: no matter the pain, it will all pass away. Embrace the journey, cherish the lessons, and hold on to the hope that brighter days await. The road may be tough, but your spirit is tougher. Keep moving forward, for the best is yet to come. As this chapter on wisdom comes to a close, we want to express our deepest gratitude to each one of you, our cherished viewers and subscribers. Your presence and engagement make this channel a thriving hub of knowledge and insight. We hope the wisdom shared in this video has resonated with you, inspiring you to embrace a life of purpose, meaning, and mindfulness. Remember to put these teachings into practice, for knowledge truly comes alive through action. If you found value in this video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share it with others.